let's get a vegan blowout. You're probably wondering, what is a vegan blowout? First, let me start by saying I'm not a vegan or anything like that. I'm more of a, if I'm in the mood for something vegan, I'm down for it. I've had my hair blown out since I was a kid, and getting my hair done by Sydney at Strut Salon was a whole new experience. So let's talk about it. Sydney is a stylist that believes that using science and botanicals in how we treat our hair is best, which kind of makes sense to me. This is why she came up with the vegan blowout, which is basically a blowout technique that uses only plant-based and vegan products. And believe me, there is a serious difference when it comes to the end result. The first thing we did was cleanse my hair thoroughly and then go into deep conditioning. And she actually created a custom mix for the deep conditioner that she used on me that spoke specifically to my hair needs. This is another reason why having a stylist in your back corner is so key. The biggest thing to a long-lasting blowout is moisture. And so because she understands how to really put that moisture in your hair, she also infused the water that the steamer used with botanical ingredients to make sure that moisture went even deeper into my hair before we started the blow dry process. Once we started blow drying, Sydney continued using super nourishing products that made the process even easier on my hair. At home, blowing out my hair can take so long. It can take forever, especially with all this hair. She easily blew my hair out in probably half the time it would have taken me because of all these super moisture focused steps that we took prior to this part of the process. Once she started using the flat iron, only one pass was needed in each section of my hair. This is how you minimize the heat damage immensely when you're trying to wear your hair in a sleek style, especially when you have naturally curly or coily hair. Last, Sydney went in with a curling iron to give me a really soft wave. Obviously, the results speak for themselves, y'all. I am absolutely obsessed whenever I get my vegan blowouts. It lasted for an entire month last time. Yes, you heard me. I said a month. But before you go, I wanted to leave you with one last thing. My experience at the salon was amazing. There is a sense of connection and community that happens when, as you see, I've got my baby girl with me. Even at 4 months old, she is watching me get my hair done. I'm teaching her and showing her what wellness looks like, what caring for yourself looks like. Caring for yourself is not always doing it all. Caring for yourself is understanding that having someone in your corner to support you, whether it's via your hair, whether it's via your workout regimen, whether it's via your spiritual guidance, whatever it is, it's showing that it takes a community, it takes a village to truly grow and truly feel your best. We are not meant to be on this earth alone. Honestly, we're not meant to do a lot of things in life alone, yet we think we can and do. All in all, sis, go get your hair done. Find, if it's not a stylist around you, your sister, your cousin, your bae, whoever. Even if it's just brushing your hair, detangling, taking those braids down, whatever it is, where you can sit and have someone else do the work for you. It may feel like a foreign idea, but I promise you, it does something. It is wellness. It is self-care. All right, y'all. I'm off my soapbox. Until next time, I'll see y'all later.